Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is House of Fashion signing in once again in front of you with a beautiful and amazing video of the Princess Catherine in front of you. In this video you will find Princess Catherine in a different manner. I mean to say that in a zoom pictures of Princess Catherine, close-ups of Princess Catherine of different moods, and you will enjoy the close-up views of Princess Catherine. And if you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button. So let's move into the video to watch the video. And now hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always with the prosperity, health and wealth. Ameen summa ameen. Viewers, onto your screen you are watching a Princess Catherine, which is really very amazing. The princess of Wales. She looks very beautiful in each and every dress. Today we are going to show you a close-ups of Princess Catherine of different moods, in which you will find that how Princess Catherine looks into her different ages and different events from the lifetime. And here you have to write us that which mood you like the best and the most of Princess Catherine. And you have to write us that from where you are watching also. And we are here. I am going to remind you about the subscription of the channel. If you are not subscribed yet, then subscribe it first, or you are new onto my channel, then press the subscribe button, and don't forget to follow the channel by clicking and pressing the bell icon also. Must visit the House of Fashion for more interesting ideas of nail art and meet the royals from the world onto the channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. We will be right back with the new interesting ideas. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay tuned with us. We will be right back. Don't forget to like the channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.